Here we will show you exactly how to make Konpeito, a delicious Japanese candy. These are perfect for parties or to satisfy your sweet tooth. For this recipe, it will help if you have some type of prior confectionery making experience. However, our step-by-step guide is so simple that anyone can give it a try. You don't need any special equipment to make these Konpeito candies at home, just a lot of patience. These candies do take some time to make, but if worth the wait. Once finished, you have beautifully colored and incredibly tasty candies that will leave your friends drooling. What is Konpeito candy? Konpeito, also commonly known as Japanese star candy, is a popular sugar candy that has a very unique shape and comes in a wide variety of colors and flavors. These candies are made by repeatedly covering a core with sugar syrup. This core was originally a poppy seed, but today manufacturers like to use rock sugar crystals or sesame seeds. This is quite a lengthy process and can take up to 2 weeks. While the core is ladled with syrup, the candies slowly rotate inside a large heated tub called a dora. The end product is unique and forms tiny bubble-like shapes on the surface, giving the candies their star-shaped appearance. Despite having Portuguese origins, these candies have become a symbol of Japanese culture. They have appeared in numerous anime, including the Pokemon series and the popular film, Spirited Away. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon large sugar granules, 1 cup white granulated sugar, 1 cup water, food flavoring of your choice, food coloring of your choice. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Combine the granulated white sugar and water in the medium pot over medium heat. As the syrup heats, stir the mixture with a stainless steel spoon until all of the sugar has dissolved. The stainless steel spoon is non-creative and will help prevent the formation of sugar crystals. Once the sugar granules have dissolved, allow the mixture to simmer until it has reduced by half and you have a clear syrup. Remove it from the heat and set it aside. Step 2. If you chose poppy seeds or sesame seeds, lightly toast them in the non-stick frying pan over very low heat. Do not toast or heat any sugar-based core as it will likely start to melt. Step 3. Move the core to the side of the pan. Add about 1 teaspoon of syrup to the center of the pan, and gently roll the cores through it with the help of a wooden spoon. You can also spin the pan around if that is easier for you, but ensure that the entire core gets coated. Keep spinning the cores into the syrup until all of the syrup is gone. Step 4. Keep adding syrup to the pan and spinning the cores until you have candies roughly between 5 to 10 millimeters in diameter. This entire process will take a lot of time, so patience is key. You can end up spending 2 hours or the entire day depending on the speed you are going at, the amount you are making, and the size you want. So, grab a chair, pour yourself a nice drink, and put on your favorite show in the background to keep you entertained. How to make different Konpeito flavors. Traditionally, despite being coming in a wide variety of colors, the flavor was relatively the same and often simply sugar. However, today there are hundreds of Konpeito flavors, some of the most popular being strawberry, vanilla, peach, matcha, and mango. You can even create your very own flavor profile by combining flavors. We love strawberry mint, mango, and orange. We highly recommend using extracts instead of food flavorings or essences. These extracts are much more concentrated in flavor and also often have a lot more flavor options available. Add the flavoring with the coloring when combining the sugar and water in the pot. Make sure to stir it to ensure it has been evenly distributed. Tips and tricks. Our pro tip for making this Konpeito recipe focuses on the temperatures you use throughout the process. When making the syrup, only use a medium temperature. If you boil the syrup too vigorously over high temperatures, it can potentially cause your sugar syrup to crystallize. But if you don't use a high enough temperature, your syrup will take forever to reduce. Then, when coating the cores in the syrup, make sure that your pan is always slightly heated. If you work with a cold pan, your syrup will become hard and won't be able to make the thin and irregular coatings. You should also always store your candy in an airtight container. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.